Hey everyone, welcome back. Error code 31 in Device Manager means Windows can't load the driver for your graphics card. The device is there, Windows recognizes it, but it can't get the driver to work properly. This is almost always a driver or registry issue, and in most cases, it's very fixable. Let's go through it step by step. First, try the basics. Open Device Manager, right-click your GPU under Display Adapters, and choose Uninstall Device. Check the box to delete the driver software as well. Restart your PC. Windows will try to reinstall a generic driver automatically. Once you're back on the desktop, head to your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install the full proper driver for your card. This alone resolves error code 31 in a lot of cases. If that didn't work, use DDU for a deeper clean. Download Display Driver Uninstaller, boot your PC into safe mode, and run DDU to completely strip out all GPU driver files. Safe mode is important here because it prevents Windows from locking any driver files during the removal. Once DDU is done, restart normally and install a fresh driver from the manufacturer's website. Another common cause of error code 31 is a corrupted or mismatched entry in the Windows registry. This can happen after a failed driver install or an abrupt shutdown during an update. The safest way to fix this without manually editing the registry is to use a system restore point. Search for System Restore in the Start menu. Choose a restore point from before the error appeared and let Windows roll back. After the restore, reinstall your GPU driver cleanly. If you don't have a restore point, you can try running the Windows Hardware and Devices troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, and look for Hardware and Devices. Run it and let Windows try to detect and fix the driver conflict automatically. It's also worth checking if Windows Update is causing the issue. Sometimes Windows pushes a driver update in the background that conflicts with your existing setup. Go to Settings, Windows Update, then View Update History, and look for any driver updates that installed recently. If you find one, you can uninstall it from there and then manually install the correct driver version yourself. On desktop PCs, also check your PCIe slot. Reseat the graphics card. Power down, unplug, take the card out, and push it back in firmly. Sometimes a slightly loose card causes driver loading failures that show up as error code 31. While you're in there, try the card in a different PCIe slot if your motherboard has one. Finally, if nothing is working, test your GPU in a different PC if you have access to one. If the error code 31 follows the GPU to another machine, the card itself may have a hardware fault. If the GPU works fine in another system, the issue is with your Windows installation or motherboard, and a fresh Windows install might be the cleanest path forward. Alright, that's everything for error code 31. Clean driver reinstall with DDU is your best friend here. That fixes it in the vast majority of cases. If you're still running into it, drop a comment with your GPU model and Windows version, and I'll try to point you in the right direction. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe. It means a lot. See you in the next one.